Discover a delicious twist on Filipino Kilawin with this unique Kilawin Sayote at Atay recipe. Unlike the traditional vinegar-marinated Kinilaw, this version is sautéed, using Chayote, Sayote, and pork liver to create a rich, sweet-sour flavor that's perfect as an appetizer or main dish. Chayote balances the richness of liver, while a splash of vinegar brings that classic tangy kick Filipinos love. If you enjoyed this dish, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Filipino recipes and global cooking inspiration, and leave a comment below. What's your Filipino food? I'd love to hear from you.